This is Setvidya Mandir online audio learning series. Good morning students, this is Bina Raikar and I'm teaching you Organization of Commerce and Management. I've already finished with the first chapter and I've started with the second chapter, that is Functions of Management. Today I'm going to teach you the second function, that is organizing. Let's come to the meaning of organizing. Organizing is the process of identifying, bringing the required resources together such as men, money, material, machine and method, grouping and arranging them properly for achieving the objectives. Achieving the objectives, or what the objectives are, is already done in planning. An organization plans for the targets, and now what we are doing is we are organizing all the resources together, okay, for achieving the objectives that have been planned. Organizing function decides the ways and means to achieve what has been planned. This function is important for execution of the plans. Definition of organizing. Organizing is the process of defining and grouping the activities of the enterprise and establishing the authority relationship among them. In performing the organizing function, a manager, he defines what the activities should be, departmentalizes, that is, gives the activities to different departments and assigns activities so that they can be most effectively executed. Let's go to the importance of organizing. There are 10 points in importance of organizing. Okay, so let's go to the first one. The first one is facilitates administration as well as operation. Organizing process leads to identifying and to group the activities. Grouping and assigning the activities is the task of administration, whereas processing is operational activity. Organizing facilitates administration as well as operation of the organization. Due to proper grouping of the task and the employees, there is increase in production and reduction in wastage. The second one is brings specialization. Organization structure is a set of relationship in which the work is divided into units and departments. This division of work brings in specialization. Specialization in activities leads to increase in organizational efficiency. The third important is defines the job properly. Organization structure helps in putting right men on right job, which can be done by selecting people from various departments according to their qualifications, skills and experience. This is helping in defining the jobs properly, which clarifies the role of every person, clarifies authority and responsibility. Organization structure defines the role of every manager. This can be done by delegating the authority to every manager and clarifying the way he has to exercise those powers, so that misuse of powers does not take place. Well-defined jobs and responsibilities helps in bringing efficiency into managers' working. This helps in increasing productivity. The fifth one establishes coordination. This function helps in establishing coordination among different departments of organization. It creates clear-cut relationship among positions and ensures mutual cooperation among individuals. Coordination or synchronization between all departments and different levels of manager is important for smooth functioning of organizational activities. The sixth one is it helps in effective administration. This function determines different positions, departments, activities and the roles and are clearly structured. The utmost care is taken by placing the right person in right job with right authorities and responsibilities. It is achieved through division of work and delegation of authority. This all leads to efficient and effective administration. Helpful for growth and diversification. The growth of every organization depends on its smooth and efficient functioning. Clearly defined roles and responsibilities, coordination among all levels of management, personnel, and use of appropriate control techniques bring efficiency at workplace and organization grows well. This is possible only when organization structure is well defined. Creates sense of security. Organization structure clarifies the job position. It clearly states the duties and responsibilities of everyone. Everyone can work accordingly. Clarity in jobs and powers help in increasing mental satisfaction and creates a sense of security among the employees. Scope of innovation. Organizing function clears the roles and activities to be performed. Employees can work by using their new ideas. This provides enough space to a manager to develop talents and flourish the knowledge. The scope for innovation into adapting new changes in methods of work is possible only through a set of organizational structure. And the 10th one, helps in optimum utilization of resources. This function provides different jobs to different people according to the job specialization. Due to this, specialization of work becomes possible. This right workforce utilizes other resources at its optimum level so that desired results are achieved within defined period. So these were the 10 importance. We'll just revise it once again. Facilitates administration as well as operation. Brings specialization. Third, defines the job properly. Fourth, clarifies authority and responsibility. Fifth, establishes coordination. Sixth, helps for effective administration. Seventh, helpful for growth and diversification. Eighth, creates sense of security. 9, scope for innovation. 10, helps in optimum utilization of resources. Okay children, now we have seen the importance of organization. Let's see the difference between planning and organizing. Planning I have already explained to you in the earlier video. Okay, and now I have explained you what is organizing. So what are the different points? Okay, the points are, first we have the meaning, then we have objective, then we have area of function, then order, resources, nature and level of management. So let's go to the meaning of planning. What is the meaning is? Planning is deciding in advance what to do, how to do it, when to do it and who is to do it. Whereas the meaning of organizing is, it is a process of defining and grouping the activities of the enterprise and establishing the authority relationships among them. Then what is the objective of planning? The objective of planning is to set goals and choosing the means to achieve these goals. Whereas the objective of organizing is to identify and bring together all required resources. The third one is area of function. About planning if we speak, it includes setting objectives by identifying the ways of attaining the goal and selecting the best plan. Whereas the area of function coming to organizing is, it includes identification and grouping of activities, assigning the work and establishing the authority relationship. Order, planning, it is the basic first function of management function. Whereas organizing, it is based on planning, it follows planning. Resources, planning is done as per the requirement and availability of resources. Coming to organizing, all available resources, that is man, money, material, machine and methods, are arranged in a systematic manner. Nature, planning is continuous in nature. It exists in the whole life of organization. Whereas organizing, it takes place till the time all the resources are collected and arranged. Level of management, top level is concerned with planning the activities. And for organizing, the top as well as the middle level management are related with organizing the required resources. So students, you have two questions. The first one is what is organizing and explain the importance of organizing. The second one is distinguish between planning and organizing. Please see that you are writing these two questions, the answers in your notebooks. Okay, thank you.